All right, I like it.
I'm gonna look at all the white ones.
Sure.
I wonder what a white.
Hey, buddy. Gonna get a bum or a pumpkin?
This one's $2.50.
All right.
I'm gonna get this.
Yes. You guys have enough pumpkins, guys?
And this one's mine.
You got enough pumpkins?
Yeah.
And what are we doing them with? What are these called?
Cookie cutters.
Cool. We're going to be using a hammer.
Scoop about the dabber.
We're going to be using the cookie cutters and a hammer. And we're going to have assistants with our what? Our older cousin? Melody, Lindsay, and Tommy. Tommy, say hi.
He's not my cousin, he's my brother.
All right, he's your brother. Okay. First, we're going to carve out the top part.
I'm going to make mine like rigid.
Smells like what?
That's all that's in here. I can't get it open.
Let's see, scoop it out, Jay. Scoop it out.
It's really messy. There's the seeds. I see a seed.
What does it smell like?
Cantaloupe.
Smells like cantaloupe? Smells really good. Yeah, this one's solid. I don't think that we're going to be able to do this one. So let's work on this one because look how we got this one. Cantaloupe. Let me see inside
It
that.
smells like the white part of the cantaloupe.
So that'll be a good one to carve because you can get that stuff all out.
These are giant.
Get out. You want to try the pumpkin? So you want to do this pumpkin one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Take a pumpkin with the candy corn. We'll use that as an eyeball. Go ahead, hit that. We're making the eye out of a candy corn cookie cutter. Push on it with the hammer. It goes inside. It's a nice, easy, clean cut. Cool. Let's do the mouth.
Wait, you got to rip it?
Doing the mouth now. Can I see your pumpkin and what we did with the cookie cutters? Let me see. What a nice job. That came out really nice with cookie cutters. It was nice and fast.
Oh, bad.
Let me ask you, what are you doing now? What are you making?
We're going to make Batman out of cookie cutter.
Okay, go ahead. Hold the pumpkin. Hold the pumpkin and go ahead. Oh, good job.
I don't know how to get it out.
Do a little more. It should go through the inside.
Yes, then when you're done, it would come out.
That came out really nice with cookie cutters. Let's see what we added too. We added a bat. We did a bat. We did
A ghost, a cat, a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Eyeball, nose.
Nice and fast.
I want to do a hat.
Easy. Now you want to add a hat?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's add a hat real quick. Let's see the. And this is Justin's finished pumpkin with a little hat on top.
It's raining pumpkin guts. Let's mix it! It looks like spaghetti. It looks like spaghetti.
Looks like spaghetti. Yes, it
It's
does.
satisfying. It's satisfying.
What does it feel like?
I'm gonna mix it with a stick. It feels like spaghetti too.
It does. It feels like spaghetti. Is it cold?
I got it. Yeah. I got it. Especially because it's like cold outside. I'm not mixing. The inside of the pumpkin. The yellow was in my pumpkin. The white pumpkin. In here. Then the orange was from Justin's pumpkin.